Hi friends, I'm Surinder from ACCT and today I'll be giving you tips on listening module of PTE. There are 8 types of question in listening module. I'll be taking the first one, that is the summarized spoken text. In this type of question, there is a recording which is being played for 60 to 90 seconds. You have to be very alert to listen that recording. It is very difficult to write down each and every word, so I would suggest that I wrote down the main keywords which should include the general idea of the recording which is being going on. After that, you have got 10 minutes to write down the summary of the spoken text. Then you have to keep in mind the 3 things in this. First is the grammar, second is the spellings, and third is the form. Grammar includes everything, the sentence structure, the punctuation. Then we have the form, that is the word count. The word count is 50 to 70 words. It should not be less than that and it should not be more than 70 words. You have to be very alert in this and you have to utilize the time 10 minutes to transfer. Save 2 minutes to revise whatever you have written. I hope this tip was helpful to you. Thank you.